Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about the Microsoft Excel skills in this section. For this purpose, I'm going to use the American Community Survey data for the city of Chicago, 5 years estimate 2013 to 2017. You can download this data from the Google Drive, but to access the data, you need to log in with your Rebel email account, not the other account. Okay, I hope that all of you have the access to the Microsoft Excel. If you don't, you can follow the direction in the syllabus and find out how you can access the Excel software from the UNLV website. Okay, in the Excel we have a data. We need to use Excel to the data analysis because using the Excel we can organize the data, clean the data, and extract any kind of reports for our research. We need to use the Excel. So you have to be skilled by the Excel. In this course, I'm going to just show you how you can start working with the Excel. You have to take time and get skilled. In the Excel, we have a data sheet that presents us columns and rows. In the columns, we can put our variables, and on the rows data, we can put our records data. The rows information can be people or can be a district. In this row data is a census tract. We call the neighborhood. So when I call the neighborhood, it means that the census tract area, not the block level or county level. So be careful how to use the word of neighborhoods. Okay. For the start point, I'm going to show you the pivot table, how you can use the pivot table. It's very important function to extract table. You can go to the insert tab and pivot table on the top left section and then activate it. When you activate this function, create pivot table window opens, and then you have to make sure that data is selected by the selection bar. I see that the neighborhood section here is not selected. So I have to go to the first cell and then click on the cell up to the end of the variables and go down. Okay, I selected my data. The next question is about the where you are going to place the pivot table. I'm going to choose the new sheet. However, you can choose the existing worksheet too. I'm going to use the new worksheet, okay, and then click OK. In the new worksheet, you have several windows and include the table. On the left side, you have the list of variables and include the several functional windows that are important for getting the export. Okay, I'm going to click on the variable object. So you can see in the value sections that it tells us the sum of object. I don't need to sum information. Now I can change the value field setting to the count. Okay. In this data, I have 863 census tract for the city of Chicago. And then also back to the data sheet. Also, we have another variable here, neighborhoods. I categorize the median household income to the low income, middle income, and the high income level. And then you can see the groups of this information as a neighborhood section. When I click it, you can see classification here: extremely low income, high income level, low income, middle class, and upper middle class. This classification is user defined classification. You can change it based on the median income level. For example, I defined extremely low income level below $15,000 a year as an extremely low income. You can change it. You can change it to the 10,000 or 20,000. It depends on you, okay? But I want to show you that this classification is user defined and you can change it by the datasheet here. Okay, back to the pivot table. This data show us how many neighborhoods located in each class. For example, 12 neighborhoods recognized as extremely low income neighborhoods, but only 5 neighborhoods recognized as high income neighborhoods. I say that the neighborhoods here is the census tract, not lower level or upper level. And also 317 neighborhoods defined as a lower middle class. Okay, I'm going to activate the other type of the variable to show you how you can use the pivot table. For example, the next variable I'm going to bring it's household size. Household size, when you click on the household size, you can see the variable as a sum of household in the value section, but I don't need to bring the sum of household size. I'm going to change it to the average of household size. And also I'm going to reduce the decimal to the only 1. Decimal is enough for the household. Okay, you can see the different household size for each household income class by the neighborhood. For example, lower middle class neighborhood has a 2.9 household size, but the high income level has a 2.2 level. Also, you can bring the other data. Household size for owner occupied units, but you have to make sure that change the sum of household size to the average, because this is the rate and we need an average of this, not the sum. Okay, so for the owner occupied units, household size is 2.8, but in the average of regular household size is 2.7. And then I'm going to show you the renter occupied units household size. Okay, the average of household size for renter occupied units, and reduce the decimals to the 1 decimal is enough. Okay, for the renters, household size is 2.8. For the owner occupied units, 2.8. And for the average of household size for the regular households are 2.7. And you can see the differences of household size based on the type of occupation and also based on the income. You can produce any other types of the table. I'm going to show you how you can bring it to the new sheet. I'm going to copy this data to the new worksheet, and then when you paste the data pivot table, you have to make sure to choose the for example value as number formatting, not the straight copy and paste because it brings the whole pivot table here. So and then I can copy this table to my research paper too, because it is a descriptive analysis that we calculated from raw data, and it is readable for the readers and others how they can use this information. And also you can visualize this table by chart. For example, I'm going to bring the bar chart for this item. Okay. And also I need to bring the X label. Our X label are the neighborhoods classification. Okay. Also you can change the title of chart, average of household size for owner okay. Okay, you can see this chart. It's easy to use, but you have to try to produce the new type of the chart, and also you can go to this section and find the what kind of chart is proper to use this information. Another item that I'm going to show you how you can bring the statistical data in the Excel. Okay, first of all, let me freeze this information. You can use the freeze function to make it freeze, because when we go down and we need to know the name of variable. So when I go to the down, I can see the label of each variable. It's easy to use. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can bring some information, statistical information by the Excel. I'm going to bring the mean, median, mode, minimum, maximum, and also I will talk about the correlation. Okay, for the mean, okay, for the mean I need to use the equals and average function. Click on it, and I need to choose the data. Average of what? For here I'm going to use the average of median household income for the city of Chicago. I need to choose all my information top to down. Okay, our information is selected. Back to top, and then end parenthesis and enter. Okay, and also I can use the comma separator to display the mean of median income for the whole city of Chicago. Okay, $54,859.67 is the mean of median income level for the city of Chicago. And also I'm going to use the median statistic. For the median statistic, I need to bring the median function, and same as the mean function, I need to choose my data. So I'm going to choose the data from Q2 until Q864, okay, and then end parenthesis. Okay, I want to, okay, and also the same as the mean data, I need to use the comma separator, and we can see the median income level for the whole city of Chicago is $46,393 for 2017. And also the next statistic I'm going to use is mode. For the mode, I need to go to the formula and then insert function mode. Okay, and then choose the data of the mode from Q2 to Q864. Okay. Okay. Mode of median income obtained 33,750. Okay, we can see the differences between the mean, average, median, and mode for the median household income. And also I'm going to bring the minimum and maximum. For the minimum, you can use the mean, and the same as previous statistical functions, you can choose the data until Q864. Okay. The minimum median household income obtained 10,471, and also maximum median income Q2 until Q864. Okay. And then enter. It's $207,396 as a maximum median income for a neighborhood in the city of Chicago. And also we can use the comma separator for this data. Okay. Next function that I'm going to talk, it's the correlation, how you can calculate the correlation between two variables. Here I'm going to choose the correlation between the median household income and household size. Okay, I am going to choose these two variables, median household income and household size. And to obtain the correlation, oops, okay, I need to choose the first array. My first array is the median household income to Q864, and the next array is my household size. B until B864. Okay. And then enter it. Okay. I got minus 0.277. Okay. I don't need the just 3 items is enough. This result says that there is a negative relationship between median household income and household size. This is the correlation result. To find the significant or not, I need to recognize this result is significant or not. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please send me your question by email or send a message in Canvas. I will respond as soon as possible. Okay, thank you.